From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming November 30th Forex session. The pair in front of you is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen pair. And as you can see, we've had quite an explosive move recently as the market just shot straight up. And this was true in all yen related pairs, simply because the opposition leaders look like they're ready to perhaps win the election and then have a mandate for the Bank of Japan to print unlimited yen. This is essentially what's been said in public. Perhaps an inflation target of 3%, which would cause quite a bit of yen printing, as inflation is almost non-existent in that country. So you've seen the yen beat up against several currencies, and the reason I'm bringing this chart to you is because it has a very nice little technical setup, and it has played out very well so far. And what you get when you look at this chart, and I did not put the line here, but you see a stutter step pattern. 200 pips every time. And when we look at the most recent consolidation area, we can see that we had consolidated between 79 and 81, 200 pips. One of the basic tenets of technical analysis is when you form a pattern, in this particular case a rectangle, once you break out of it, you take the height, in this case 200, you project that from the breakout point, and that is your target. So the breakout point was 81, we hit 83, 200 pips later. So when we look at this chart, we see that it does tend to move every 200 pips or so, because this is roughly the 77 handle. Now that we're at 83 and we had formed a hammer on Wednesday and Thursday formed a smaller hammer, it looks like if we can get above the 83.20 level, we could have another breakout. That would be the last vestiges of resistance. Well, using 83 as our spot, our point of breakout, that has us at the target at 85. With the risk-on trade, this pair goes higher. With the Bank of Japan working against the yen, this pair goes higher. Also, you have to remember that Canada is an exporter of oil, and Japan imports 100% of their petroleum. So if oil prices rise, this pair almost always goes higher. This looks like it's setting up for another move higher with this hammer. Whether or not it happens today remains to be seen, but it is one that should be on your radar, as it looks very predictable. Nice stutter step type of motion, very nice even spacing in the market, very nice technical chart all the way around.